Hello everyone, Nick here again, and today I'm going to tell you something about our iQ Pro panels. You can connect iQ Pro with wireless intrusion components. Anyone familiar with DSC or Visonic will be well acquainted with the PowerG protocol. The PowerG protocol is an incredibly powerful system that enables wireless communication between our detection points and our central control unit. You can expect an enormous range from this, actually the most powerful available on the market, and we've also combined that with very low energy consumption. So for several components, we have between 5 and 9 years of battery life with normal use. We communicate on the 868 MHz frequency and we make use of multiple sub-frequencies. That means we have several layers over which we communicate and we switch, let's say 64 times per second between those sub-frequencies to rapidly send data from a component to the central unit and vice versa. The advantage of two-way communication in these components is that we can instruct them to enter sleep mode when the system is powered down, and this naturally saves a lot on our battery life. In addition, the central unit can also be equipped with a 433 MHz interface. This is an interface, so to speak, that was used by older DSC components. Here you can think of panels like an Alexor or an Impasa, but also the old Power series where 433 MHz was the wireless standard. These are essentially one-way components, and you can then easily connect them to the panel right next to your PowerG components. So if you happen to take over an existing installation that already has DSC components, you can then quite simply integrate them and connect them to this panel. And should there be a future need for an expansion of components or perhaps to replace existing components, then you can quite easily switch to the new PowerG components. Besides PowerG, we are now also introducing PowerG Plus on these panels. PowerG Plus offers several advantages, and the most important one is that you can actually see the battery status of your components. So when you connect your PowerG Plus components, you can see their status, and also when the battery needs replacing. This allows you to plan your maintenance very efficiently and avoid unnecessarily replacing batteries that are not yet due for replacement. Furthermore, it also offers the benefit. Should new functions or components be added in the future, for instance those that can measure the light intensity within a space, then over the years we can. We also refer to this as updating components and equipping them with the very latest firmware. This way, you can always ensure that your components in the field are functioning with the very latest firmware functionalities. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again next time.